If you are struggling with affiliate marketing, you are not alone. Why I'm saying this? You see, because when I got started a few years ago with ClickBank and affiliate marketing, I didn't know what I was doing. So basically, I did not know what I did not know. Right? I didn't know what I didn't know. So simply put, I had to find hard way through trials and errors and losing a lot of time and a lot more money, thousands of dollars, almost $45,000, learning different stuff, applying it, running ads, right? So if I were you right now watching this video in 2025 and you were asking yourself, heck, what should I do to fast forward myself so I don't have to lose more time? Because remember, you can always get more money back. The problem is not money. Yes, you lose money, you make new money. But time, you lose time, you can get new time back. That's the problem, okay? And we have all limited lifespan, okay? So if you're watching this video, remember, don't dwell on lost money. Dwell on lost time. Because for me, time is more important. You can always make more money, okay? And find new money. It's possible to find new money, to find ways to duplicate it and find a system that will allow you to be able to travel around the world like myself. Thanks to ClickBank affiliate marketing, I was able to travel to over 68 countries, and I'm not even 30 years old yet. Okay? Thanks to affiliate marketing. So I know what it takes. It takes to having someone, the shortcut to success with ClickBank is with affiliate marketing as a beginner is having someone, a coach or a mentor, someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you, not only giving you the system, but teach you how to think so you are able to replicate it yourself and run it yourself for your whole life. If you're 20 years old, 18 years old, if you're 50 years old, 60 years old, doesn't matter. What matters is having someone who can help you along the way, especially in 2025. Yes, I know everyone else and gurus are talking about AI. This is not about AI. This is about understanding. Affiliate marketing is nothing more, nothing less than promoting other people's products 24/7 without showing your face on camera. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to waste a lot of money on ads. I know as a beginner, you might think, heck, I'm afraid to spend money on ads, on Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, TikTok ads. I understand how you feel. I used to be there. Why you're afraid? The reason why most people are afraid to spend money is because they don't know how marketing works on a deeper psychological level. You see, how it works is you spend $20 today on Facebook ads or Google, let's say Google ads, Google pay-per-click ads, $20 today. You promote a product on ClickBank that will pay out, let's say, $100 in commissions. Okay? So the entire funnel might be $200 to $300, meaning there is the front end ebook, which is around $47. Then is the upsell for, I don't know, another upsell for $120, and then another upsell for, or downsell for $70. So at the end of the day, one person can make you $300 to even $500 per sale on ClickBank. Okay? This is the beauty of system. It allows you naturally to be able to make $300 or even $1,000 per sale on ClickBank with all the upsells they create, right? One person, not everyone, of course not everyone, but one person out of 5 or 10 people that buy the ClickBank product will buy the entire funnel. Meaning they will buy everything. They will buy the front-end ebook. They will buy the upsell. This is same like cinema, going to cinema, right? You buy cinema ticket, but they sell you Coke, they sell you cola, they sell you popcorn, even now the food, right? At the end of the day, you spend much more. So that's how it works with ClickBank, okay? And that's how, my friend, you will be able naturally to make money, a lot of money, once you take action. Okay, once you stop making excuses why you can't make money, why you're afraid to invest in yourself, because let's be honest, if you're not investing some money in yourself, then why you expect others to invest in you? If you don't see self-worth in you, why should you expect someone else to see worth in you, right? I'm speaking to my own experience because I used to be there. I was so scared to put few $1,000s in for coaching, for mentorship, because I didn't know better. I thought, oh, I can save money, but that's scarcity mindset, okay? You're telling your mindset, your subconscious mind, in the future, I might not make money. I might not be able to do it. Okay, so you're scaring yourself, you're robbing, you're scamming yourself out of your better future. Basically scamming yourself out of better future by saying, no, I'm trying to save money as much as possible, which is the wrong way to go about it. Okay, abundance mindset is there is always more to come. I always tell myself, I will always make more money. Yes, I will spend money, I learn, I test, I make more money. I will always make more money. That's the abundance mindset you need. The mindset shift in order to succeed in 2025. So as you watch this video, you can follow me, you can find me on Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, my email, my WhatsApp number, yeah, my personal cell phone number I'm also giving. But only if you're serious. Please don't reach out to me if you don't have any money to invest in yourself, if you don't want to take this seriously, if you don't have at least 30 minutes per day to do this. Honestly, you need only 30 minutes once you're up and running to run campaigns. That is what I do. You can see me. I travel to 68 countries. Do you think I work 24 hours a day? No. Okay? But I love to help other people do as well. Duplicate, replicate the same system. Because I know it works. And the more I help, the more we grow. Remember, the word wealth, start with we. Okay? So we support each other, we build personal relationships, and we grow together in 2025. Again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.